Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there. This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started.
Mahaba, ma-ha-ba, mahaba, meaning long. Nunal, nu-nal, nunal, meaning mole. Butas, bu-tas, butas, meaning hole. Benta, ben-ta, benta, meaning sales. Utang, 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 meaning debt. Tubo, 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 meaning interest, as in that's interest. Tubo, 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 meaning tube. Frigider, 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 meaning refrigerator. Tuwid, 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 meaning straight. Baliko, 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 meaning bent. Kalma, 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 meaning calm. It refers to a state of being peaceful, quiet, or free from agitation or excitement. Kalmado, 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 meaning calm. This one, it is an adjective describing a person's or situation that is peaceful, relaxed, or not agitated. Makati, 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 meaning itchy. Makinis, 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 meaning smooth. Saan, 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 meaning various places or different places. This one is often used to refer to multiple locations or an unspecified range of places. Mascara, 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 meaning mascara as a makeup or a mask. Saging, 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 meaning banana. Lata, 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 meaning tin. Bote, 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 meaning bottle. Kilay, 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 meaning eyebrow. Hawak, 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 meaning hold. Halik, 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 meaning kiss. Magnet, 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 meaning magnet. Buhok, 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 meaning hair. Sapatos, 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 meaning shoes.
Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!